Hola, hola, happy Halloween. Bienvenidos a Cafecito con Latino Leadership Northwest. I'm your host, Daisy Hernandez, y hoy tenemos un show muy especial. We're celebrating community, youth, and leadership, so let's jump right into it. In October, Latino Leadership Northwest held our youth conference, and wow, it was a success. This year, we had 618 students, 62 chaperones, 47 presenters, including myself, and 30 workshops. All of us came together to create a huge impact for our youth. And the numbers only tell part of the story. Los estudiantes se fueron llenos de inspiración, ideas y sueños para su futuro. Let's hear a couple of quotes straight from the attendees.
I learned a lot about Latinos in engineering, and that's what I plan my future to be, a mechanical engineer.
Very diverse. I feel like there's a lot of people from different backgrounds here. I just always have a good time here. It's always fun. Like, it's never boring. You always find something to do.
The Latino Leadership, they gave me more information on how to apply for colleges, and then that really caught my attention because I want to do that in the future.
I really like this campus, and WSU has been one of my biggest considerations for going to college.
It's so great to hear directly from the students. Esto es lo que hace Latino Leadership Northwest una inspiración. Abrimos puertas, creamos oportunidades y mostramos a nuestra juventud que sí se puede. If you attended the conference, remember to complete your feedback survey so that we can keep improving, and you can find that in your email or on our website. También quiero dar un agradecimiento especial a nuestros patrocinadores de la conferencia: Washington State University Vancouver, IQ Credit Union, Wellpoint, Point North y todos los otros que ven en su pantalla. Gracias por su apoyo, y también a nuestros maravillosos voluntarios, especialmente el equipo de limpieza y mantenimiento que hicieron que todo fuera posible. Gracias. Y hablando de eventos increíbles, prepárense. Latino Leadership Northwest está colaborando en el Festival de Taco, Tequila y Tamales en Portland. Será un evento lleno de sabor, cultura y entretenimiento. Vamos a celebrar nuestras tradiciones y recaudar fondos para nuestros programas. El festival será el 23 y el 24 de noviembre en el Portland Expo Center. No se pierdan este evento. Habrá comida, música y mucha diversión. We are still looking for vendors for this event, so if you know someone or you are someone, go ahead and reach out to us for tickets or to become a sponsor or vendor. Visit metroproductions.net. Además, no olviden nuestra charlita del mes. Este programa ofrece increíbles consejos para jóvenes. Check out this clip from our latest podcast.
And before starting, I do want to give off a brief definition of what urban leyendas are, or what it means. And according to Britannica.com, urban leyendas began appearing in folklore studies in the mid-20th century, and it was used to describe the genre of modern, quote, too good to be true, quote, stories shared through oral accounts. So some famous examples, or unos ejemplos de urban leyendas, are La Llorona. Everybody knows La Llorona. Well, everybody in this table knows La Llorona. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary is like a folklore legend. Bigfoot, if you're in the PNW like us. And skinwalkers.
Qué hermoso ver a nuestra juventud creciendo y aprendiendo. Thank you to Peace Health for funding charlitas and making them possible. Thank you to United Way Columbia Willamette for funding civic engagement initiatives and youth leadership development. Thank you to Community Foundation of Southwest Washington for funding Mariposas and youth development programs. And thank you to Johnson Bixby for supporting the Mecha leadership programs. Thank you all for your generosity for providing financial support that prepares youth in our region to be successful in life. Amigos, si quieren apoyar a Latino Leadership Northwest y a nuestros jóvenes, recuerden que pueden donar en nuestra página de web. Cada donación, grande o pequeña, marca la diferencia. Gracias por acompañarnos hoy en Cafecito con Latino Leadership Northwest. Keep dreaming, keep growing, y recuerden que todos juntos hacemos la diferencia. Hasta la próxima y que tengan un feliz Halloween. Adiós.